Alright, I'm going to show you 3 paddle options here. I got the cheap one from Decathlon. This is about $100 Canadian. It's the 500 series. It's okay for beginner to intermediate, but as you play a little bit more, I would call myself maybe a 4.0, 3.75 to 4.0 player. I've been demoing different rackets like the Vatic Pro Prism 16mm, and this has a lot more spin and pop compared to the Decathlon racket. Now the racket I haven't tried out yet is more of a premium racket. This is almost $300 Canadian, the CRBN 3X, and all 3 of these are USDA approved or USA Pickleball approved. And as a former tennis player, I've got long strokes and I like to hit a lot of topspin. I can also hit underspin. So I'm going to show you some footage and then I'll do a follow-up on which paddle I prefer the most. So stick around. So cutting to the chase, I demoed a lot of rackets and I ended up selecting the Vatic Pro Prism Flash 16mm. Allows me to do my spin serves, my topspin forehands. I've got tennis strokes, so you can see I use a lot of wrist, and I need that extra spin to keep the ball in the court, whether it's a topspin forehand or a backhand slice approach. You can see here I'm going to do a forehand passing shot down the line, so I'm very accurate with this. I like the way it feels on contact. You see I did a running forehand there, and I'm going to finish off with a smash. So I just get that pop, and this is one of the few paddles under $150 that can perform like the top paddles like the 6.0 double black diamond at a fraction of the price. Vatic Pro Prism Flash 60mm.